Chatham Comfort Controls, Heating and Cooling, 773-842-4299. Visit us online, www.ccc-hvac or dunkirk.com/dealer. Your authorized ComEd American Standard dealer. What we're doing today is we're going to be removing a Frigidaire 100,000 BTU gas furnace. Someone installed the wrong gas valve, and it's caused serious health concerns inside the furnace. So the furnace has been condemned. We're going to be installing an American Standard 80 100,000 BTU upflow furnace. Once again, 773-842-4299, South Suburbs, 708-674-6313. What you're looking at is the Frigidaire 100,000 BTU upflow furnace. The Nordyne Frigidaire product is very well known with a poor design for cracked heat exchangers. What you're looking at right there are the inner tubes where the heat and the carbon monoxide flows through. The heavy burn marks. This one is cracked. This one is cracked. And there's another crack right there, causing the flame to dance. This unit was condemned. What you're looking at is a pre-installation of the American Standard 80 100,000 BTU gas furnace. The removal of a Frigidaire 100,000 BTU cracked heat exchange unit. The installation team is finishing up now. All they have to do is tie the flue pipe into the chimney. We'll turn it on and the customer have heat. Chatham Comfort Controls, Heating and Cooling, your authorized ComEd American Standard Dunkirk dealer. 773-842-4299 or the South Suburbs, 708-674-6313. Give us a call or visit us online at www.ccc-hvac, A+ rated business with multiple years of complaint-free awards, and we just achieved again the 2016 complaint-free award. Alright, what you're looking at is the complete installation of an American Standard 80 100,000 BTU gas upflow furnace. New flue pipe going into the chimney. New metal fabrication. Chatham Comfort Controls, your authorized American Standard dealer. You can find us in your ComEd bill this month in January. Also, your Chicagoland authorized Dunkirk dealer. Give us a call at 773-842-4299 or 708-674-6313. American Standard, the #1 rated gas furnace and air conditioner on the market by Consumer Reports in terms of most reliability, fewest breakdown for the last 19 years. Can't go wrong. Chatham Comfort Controls, Heating and Air. www.ccc-hvac, A+ BBB accredited business, and we've been given the great honor of achieving the 2016 BBB Complaint-Free Award, also with multiple years of complaint-free awards. That was our 7th year.
Sir, what is your zip code?
60643.
How did you hear about Chatham Comfort Controls?
I got them out the phone book.
Okay. Can you tell us how your experience was with them doing service for you today?
It was very good. They got in, did the work, and they're finished in faster time than I thought.
So they were professional and thorough.
Yes.
Would you recommend Chatham Comfort Controls to friends and family?
Yes.
Would you recommend Chatham Comfort Controls to friends and family?
Yes.
Would you recommend Chatham Comfort Controls to friends and family?
Yes.